Everyone's nowadays talking of the constitution and the changes in the constitution. Of course, if anyone has to even try and change the constitution, there has to be a lot of legal advice taken before even taking a step. Do you feel that we really need to change it, or are we are happy?
What
with-
aspect are people talking about changing the constitution? The basic structure is there.
Yes, that yes.
Yeah. In what aspect? Where would you want a constitutional change to come in? I don't know.
I think that there are a lot of political parties who feel that they want to change certain aspects.
Like what?
It's all in the news like nowadays, but the question is, do you feel that it should be just done through the parliament or political parties, or there should be proper legal introspection and done?
Constitutional change can only come about by a settled procedure, settled in law.
Yes, that's what I'm...
That will certainly take into account all kinds of debates. Any constitutional change, I don't know if it's happening, but assuming somebody wants to take a change of the constitution, change the constitution, you have to have a whole process set in motion. Apart from the legal aspect, it's obviously something that will be debated hugely.
Yeah.
Unless it's a little, say, more innocuous. You change the, so you can have a constitutional amendment which says that the Supreme Court judges retire at the age of 70.
Right.
So then it's a more limited, this thing, should they retire, should they be allowed to, should they not be allowed to, and so on and so forth. But every law, before it is brought about, is debated on. Is debated outside Parliament, is debated in Parliament. If it's a controversial thing, then it will be in every newspaper for several months on end with everyone giving their views. So, constitutional amendment can't be kept, and normally doesn't happen.
Right.
It's debated. Now the side that has the majority is able to pass it. The side that doesn't. But it's always debated. It doesn't come out in the dark hours of the night and in the morning you read over the constitution.
Yeah.
It doesn't happen like that.
That's there.
There is a procedure, and if somebody wants to change the constitution, you have to follow the procedure.